Hello and welcome. Let's play. 30 awesome questions ready. Why do birds fly in a V shape? To save energy. To look pretty. To follow the leader. The correct answer is, to save energy. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Flying in a V shape helps birds save energy by reducing drag. Each bird flies in the updraft created by the bird in front of it. What is a baby bird called? A chick. A cub. A kit. The correct answer is a chick. Here's an interesting fact. Most baby birds are called chicks. Some have specific names like owlets or ducklings. Which bird is known for its beautiful tail feathers? Peacock. Ostrich. Penguin. The correct answer is peacock. Knowledge boost. Male peacocks have incredibly long and colorful tail feathers which they display to attract mates. What do most birds eat? Worms and insects. Pizza and burgers. Grass and leaves. The correct answer is worms and insects. Here's an interesting fact. Many birds are insectivores or eat worms, but their diets can vary widely, including seeds, fruits, and small animals. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin. Eagle. Sparrow. The correct answer is penguin. Fun fact, penguins are flightless birds adapted for swimming in cold waters. What is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich. Hummingbird. Chicken. The correct answer is ostrich. Knowledge boost. The ostrich is the largest living bird known for its speed and powerful legs. Which bird is famous for mimicking sounds? Parrot. Pigeon. Owl. The correct answer is parrot. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Parrots, especially some species like the African grey, are well known for their ability to imitate human speech and other sounds. What is a bird's nest used for? To lay eggs. To play games. To store food. The correct answer is to lay eggs. Surprising trivia, birds build nests primarily to lay their eggs and raise their young in a safe environment. Which bird builds a mud nest? Swallow. Woodpecker. Duck. The correct answer is swallow. Here's an interesting fact. Barn swallows are famous for building cup-shaped nests out of mud pellets lined with grass and feathers. What do you call a group of birds? A flock. A herd. A school. The correct answer is a flock. A quick fact for you, a common term for a group of birds is a flock. Which bird is a symbol of peace? Dove, hawk, crow. The correct answer is dove. Fun fact, doves are widely recognized as a symbol of peace and love. Which bird can hover in one spot? Hummingbird, robin, goose. The correct answer is hummingbird. Fun fact, hummingbirds are unique in their ability to hover by rapidly beating their wings. What makes bird bones special? They are hollow. They are solid. They are made of wood. The correct answer is, they are hollow. Here's a nugget of wisdom, bird bones are generally hollow and lightweight, making flight easier. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich, chicken, quail. The correct answer is ostrich. Let's learn something new. The ostrich lays the largest egg of any living bird, which can weigh over 3 pounds. Which bird has excellent night vision? Owl, eagle, pigeon. The correct answer is owl. Fun fact, owls have large forward-facing eyes and special adaptations for seeing in low light conditions. What is the purpose of a bird's feathers? For flight and warmth. For decoration only. To help them swim. The correct answer is, for flight and warmth. Impress your friends with this fact, feathers are essential for flight insulation and protection from the elements. Which bird is known for its long migrations? Arctic tern, sparrow, chicken. The correct answer is Arctic tern. A quick fact for you, the Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migratory journey, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year. What do you call a bird's song? A call, a bark, a purr. The correct answer is a call. Here's a nugget of wisdom, birds use various calls and songs for communication, including attracting mates and warning others. Which bird can be found in Antarctica? Penguin, parrot, ostrich. The correct answer is penguin. Here's an interesting fact, several species of penguins are native to the cold regions of Antarctica. What is unique about the kiwi bird? It has nostrils at the end of its beak. It has bright blue feathers. It can breathe underwater. The correct answer is, it has nostrils at the end of its beak. A quick fact for you, the kiwi bird, a flightless bird from New Zealand, has nostrils at the very tip of its long beak which it uses to sniff out food. Which bird builds its nest in holes in trees? Woodpecker, robin, duck. The correct answer is woodpecker. Let's learn something new. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to excavate cavities in trees for nesting and roosting. What is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon, ostrich, hummingbird. The correct answer is peregrine falcon. Let's learn something new. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird and indeed the fastest animal in the world, reaching incredible speeds during its hunting dives. Which bird is often kept as a pet and can talk? Parakeet, seagull, crow. The correct answer is parakeet. Here's something cool. Parakeets, also known as budgies, are popular pet birds known for their ability to be taught to mimic human speech. What do birds do to keep their feathers clean and tidy? Preening, bathing, sleeping. The correct answer is preening. Let's learn something new. Birds spend a lot of time preening, using their beaks to smooth and maintain their feathers. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic other birds' calls? Mockingbird, eagle, swan. The correct answer is mockingbird. Fun fact, the northern mockingbird is famous for its extensive repertoire of songs and its ability to imitate the calls of many other bird species. What is the main reason birds fly south for winter? To find food, to build new nests, to see new places. The correct answer is to find food. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Many birds migrate to warmer climates during winter to find food and more hospitable breeding grounds. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Albatross, sparrow, hummingbird. The correct answer is albatross. Here's something cool. The wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any living bird, often exceeding 11 feet. What is a bird's gizzard used for? Grinding food, singing songs, storing water. The correct answer is grinding food. Here's an interesting fact. The gizzard is a muscular organ in a bird's digestive system that grinds up food, often with the help of small stones. Which bird is a symbol of wisdom? Owl, crow, parrot. The correct answer is owl. Surprising trivia, owls are often associated with wisdom and knowledge in various cultures. Why do some birds stand on one leg? To save body heat. To dance. To stretch. The correct answer is, to save body heat. A quick fact for you, standing on one leg helps some birds like flamingos reduce heat loss through their unfeathered legs and feet. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.